Guys, if you look on the back, you don't see my trailer. If you look on the back of my seat, you don't see a lot of stuff like foam or tent or other items for my car camping or tent camping. I'm not going camping today, but you should like it. It's similar to camping, but it's a day trip. I'm going to local lake, and there are some campsites I will show you. You can camp from Thursday to Sunday. See you at the lake. Guys, what time we open?
6 a.m.
6 and close?
So you can't get in the park after 9, but if you're in the park you can stay until 10.
Got it, thank you. We just arrived to the local lake. Name of this lake, Stony Creek. Stony Creek, Michigan. So if you guys from Michigan, please watch this video. You will be interested because I didn't know. I recently found out you can camp here. So I'm gonna use my inflatable boat. And I will see you at water, on the water. So while my boat inflated, I will tell you some story. I was here, last time I was here, about 5 years ago on my kayak. And I had very good luck with fishing. Here's a bass, crappies, bunch of bluegills. So I don't know what today, kind of windy. And yesterday was rain all night, not all night, but some of night was rain. So we'll see if I'm gonna get luck today. All right. I used to have this original 2-blade prop, and now I have 3-blade prop. So we'll see if it will give me more speed. I'm expect maybe 1 or 2 miles per hour. So we'll see. Okay, let me park my car and we go in the water. So I'm very disappointed. It only gives me 3 miles per hour, even 1 mile less. So 3 preps, it's a good torque, but slower. I'm gonna change back to 2 blades. Should be too hard to change it, but very important not to lose all parts, because I work in over the water. And there inside a pin. And I don't wanna lose it. Okay. And I have extra pin. Okay, back and that's it. Go back. Alright. Power's on. Ooh. Reverse. Oh. Woo. Let's change the position. Now I have solid 4, and if no winds, if no winds, I probably can go 5. What do I have? Hey, bluegill. It's small. Another perch. Today is perch day. What do I have? Ah, bluegill, small one. Let it go. Ah. Bluegill, and small again. Let's go. I can steer my boat, and I have to kill my back and sit in this position. Make it right turn, make it left turn. Now straight. I'm going to different spot. I had no luck today with fish. Just bunch of bluegills, small one, throw away. Nothing, really. Arrived to my parking destination. You can see this is Campground, Stony Creek Metropolitan Campground, and I believe it's open only Thursday through Sunday. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday it's closed. So let me walk in. And this part of campground are tent only. Trailer, it's behind me, and it's not a very big, maybe like for 10-15 campers, but tent, I think it's like over 20, yeah, 23, 24 campsites. And later, a little bit farther down, it's only walk in. Even so, when you come here, you have to unload it and park your car right there. Where is my car? Black car. So let me see what it looks like walk-in campsites. Site 11. It looks okay to me, kind of private, semi-private. And site 12, it's actually bigger site. And now, what to say? This is drop-off area, no vehicles. Okay, 2730. Let's see. Site 28. It's walk-in only. You can carry your stuff about a couple hundred yards. I like this side. Alright. I believe it's 27. Yeah. It's again kind of private, but a little bit far. It's about at least 200 yards from the drop-off area. I'm walking back toward travel trailer campsites, but just don't forget, all this campground is rustic, no electricity. Here's 3 more campsites, drop-off area, no vehicles here. So it's 3 more walk-in campsites. So behind me it's trailer for travel trailer campsites, and there are probably, as I said before, about 15 of them, and they're not very private, and again it's rustic. So it's your choice, but at least if you don't have place to go, I think it's gonna be empty spots all the time. I'm not sure, but you can try.